Have you accidentally lost your contacts, messages, or call logs on your Android phone? Whether it happened after a factory reset, system crash, accidental deletion, or even a software update, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple and effective ways to recover deleted contacts, SMS messages, and call history on any Android device, no root required. So, if you want to get your important data back, stick around and let's get started. Method 1. Recover deleted data on Android without backup using UltData. To recover lost contacts, messages, and call logs from your Android phone, we'll be using a tool called tenorshare UltData for Android. And trust me, it makes the process super simple. This powerful software supports over 6,000 Android devices and even lets you preview your lost data before recovering it, all without any quality loss. First, click the link in the description to download and install UltData for Android on your computer. Once you launch the program, you'll see several recovery options like WhatsApp recovery, Google Drive recovery, and WeChat recovery. But for today's video, since we're focusing on text messages, call logs, etc., select Android Data Recovery. Now connect your Android device to your computer and enable USB debugging mode. Don't worry if you're not sure how. The app will give you step-by-step instructions on your screen. Once connected, simply select Contacts, Messages, and Call History as the data type and hit Start to begin scanning. Follow the on-screen instructions and then let the process complete. No need to reset your phone or root it, just scan and see what can be recovered first. After the scan completes, you can preview all the recoverable contacts, messages, and call history. Select the ones you want and then click Recover to PC. Just choose a safe location and that's it. Your deleted messages, call logs, and even contacts are back. Method 2. Selectively recover deleted files on Android via Google Drive backup. Now here's the thing. Every Android phone comes with Google's backup service built right in. If you had Google Backup enabled, good news, your call history might still be recoverable. But there's a small catch. To restore your call logs, you'll actually need to reset your phone first. Yep, a full factory reset. Here's how it works. After you reset your device, when you go through the initial setup process, your phone will ask if you want to restore data from a previous Google Drive backup. That's where your call history will be waiting, along with your apps, settings, and more. If you would rather avoid a full reset, there's another way. UltData for Android also supports Google Drive recovery. And the best part is, you can preview and selectively restore just what you need without wiping your device. It's fast, safer, and gives you more control over what gets recovered. Method 3. Check SIM card or cloud sync for lost contacts. So, if you've suddenly lost your contacts, don't panic. The first thing you should do is check if your contacts were synced with your Google account. Here's how. Open your phone's settings, head over to Accounts or Google, and make sure Contacts Sync is turned on. Then go and check if your lost contacts are still there. If they're there, great news. You can easily sync them back to your phone. But what if your contacts were stored on your SIM card instead? No worries, you'll just need to import them manually. Go to your Contacts app, tap on Settings or Manage Contacts, then choose Import and select your SIM card. You can import them directly to your phone's storage or even sync them to your Google account for added security going forward. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to recover lost contacts, messages, and call logs to your Android device, whether it's through Google Backup, SIM card import, or third-party recovery tools. Download link for UltData is in the description below. Try it now and see what data you can recover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Android recovery tips, tutorials, and tech hacks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific issue you want me to cover next, drop a comment below. I would love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and take care.